How to make Instagram story icons smaller. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, if you are like me, then you must have noticed that Instagram recently made the story icons bigger for some reason. As you can see, these icons right here are slightly larger than the usual smaller icon that used to fit the screen properly, but these one are kind of annoying, um, maybe because we are not used to them yet. So as the time of this recording, Instagram has not released a feature or give us the option to make um, these icons smaller. So what we can do, there's only one solution, uh, and we should try it because unfortunately there's no other ways to do so uh, other than this. So let's go ahead and take a screenshot of these big, large story icons. And once you do that, let's head over to our profile. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And then scroll down till you find the support and info section. From there, click on help. And essentially what we will be trying to do is we will try to reach out to Instagram and ask them to give us back the old smaller icons if that's possible. So let's click on report a problem, click report a problem, click include and continue. And on this page right here, uh, we will message Instagram asking them, can you please give me bring can you please bring back the older smaller version of story icons. I really liked them as they were fitting the screen. Write something like this. Give them your reasons, and you can include where it says upload, you can include the screenshot that we have just taken. And once you're done, just click on send at the top right corner, and hopefully after a while, maybe a few business days, it's different for each and everyone, they should get back to us and resolve our problem. And essentially what you see, it's happens for some accounts and not others. So maybe it's a new feature that's slowly rolling out. So that was it for this video. That's how you can solve these uh, new big icons and maybe get back the older smaller one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.